Hello students, hope all you are fine and good. Today I am here to inform you about your UT first syllabus and exam. As you all you are informed about your UT first. Your UT first will be start from 21st June 2021. Here I am going to tell you about your first syllabus. The syllabus for your UT first for class 6th and 7th is chapter 1st and chapter 2nd of your science book, in which you have to learn your book work along with the question answer. All the book work and question answer is already provided you in the form of PDF and videos, so you must learn all the book work and question answer. Your paper is divided into three sections. The first section is include MCQ questions, and the section B includes fill in the blanks, one word answers, and the question C includes the short answer type questions. You have to learn all the book work and question answer too. And for the class 8th to 10th, the bio chapters are included in your syllabus. In class 8, the chapter 1st and the chapter number 8 is included in your bio portion. So you have to learn your chapter 1st and chapter 8 for the bio syllabus, for UT syllabus in bio, in which you have to learn the notes along with the diagrams. The diagrams are also there in bio section, so you have to draw the diagrams if necessary in any questions where you think diagram is required and diagram is necessary. You should draw the diagram for your in UT first. For class 9th, your bio chapter is chapter 5th, which is included in your bio syllabus for UT first. In same, according for the class 8th to 10th, you have to learn all the diagrams along with the short notes or notes given to you in your PDF and videos. For class 10th, chapter 6 is included in your bio portion in science, and you have to learn all the systems and notes on and the another questions which are given to you. Thanks for this is all your about your UT syllabus for this is all for your UT first syllabus for class 6 to 10th. And one thing, children's, your UT first exam marks will be added in your annual report card, so you should perform very well, learn answers carefully, and do your exam very carefully, and notice that every answer you should answer all the questions given in your paper with a full information and full knowledge. And all the best for your UT exams. Thank you.